So, you have decided that this is a year you are going to start your online business. And after looking at a million different options, you have landed on creative and content agency model. You're in the right place. I have built my own content agency and also helped dozens of people do the same. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 amazing steps that will help you build your first successful content agency. And the last 2 steps are my favorite and can make a big impact on your journey. So stick around. And don't worry, I won't sell you any courses. I will give you everything for free with effective knowledge. So make sure take a pen and a paper and write everything down so that you can apply right after this video ends. Step 1. Choosing your service. First thing first, you need to figure out what service you're gonna sell. Now, under the content umbrella, there are many things you can do, like short form editing, long form content editing, script writing, creative ads for e-commerce, or even hybrid that makes content with marketing. Find agencies that are making good money and copy them. If you see agencies making a lot of money doing something, that's a good sign. And focus on results, not just words. For example, instead of saying, I will edit your video, try this. We will help you get more people to your website with long and short form content, and then we will help you talk to them and get them booked on your calendar. And now you're not just selling the edit, you're selling the results. Step 2. Find your perfect niche. A niche is like a corner of the market. It's a group of people with similar needs and interests. The good news is niches never get too crowded. It's about finding the right thing to offer. Pick a group of people you can actually help and ask yourself these questions. Am I interested in this niche? Can I stick with it long enough to become an expert? Think 2 to 3 years minimum. Does this niche need what I'm selling? Are they making good money themselves? Avoid broke industries. Step number 3. Building your landing page. It's time to create an online shop, a landing page. Think of it as your digital storefront. Here's what you will need. A custom domain. It looks way more professional. A simple website builder like Craig. Cheap and easy to use. A sales video at the top of your page. Explain who you are, what you do, and how you can help. And a clear explanation of your service. An integrated calendar like Calendly. Let people book the call directly on your site. Before talk about step 5 and 6, let's learn about step 4. Hiring the right people. So you have got your brilliant idea and your shiny new landing page is ready to attract clients. But how do you actually deliver on those promises? By building your team. If you can't do everything yourself, you need to hire some help. Here are a few places to hire talented individuals. There is Upwork, Fiverr, online communities like Reddit, Discord, School, and Facebook groups related to your niche. Then LinkedIn and Twitter. You will be surprised by the talent you find on Twitter. Remember, hiring the right people is crucial. Don't just settle for the first person you find. Instead, take your time and interview several candidates to get the best. Ask to see examples of their previous work. Schedule a meeting to get a feel for their personality and their communication skills. And of course, by investing time on the hiring process, you can build a team that can help you deliver exceptional results. Now, my favorite step. Step 5. Landing your first client. Now that you have got your business set up, it's time to start attracting clients. Here are 2 effective strategies you can use. First, cold email outreach. Use tools like Instantly to send bulk emails and avoid using personal Gmail account for large-scale outreach, as your emails might end up in the spam folder. Warm up your business emails to improve delivery rates. Number 2, social media outreach. Reach out to potential clients directly on the platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Make sure your profile is clear, compact, and showcase your client case study and your expertise. Make it clear who you help and how they can book a call with you. And last but not the least, please start creating content. It can help you so much and can build your personal brand way faster and make your outreach efforts more effective. I will make a specific video about this because if I cover this here, this video will be 1 hour long. So leave it for now. And now the last and one of the favorite steps for every agency owners out there. Number 6, closing the deal. The art of the sales call. The sales call is your opportunity to connect with potential clients and close deals. Here are some tips to help you master the art of sales call. Number 1, understand your client's need. Pay close attention to what your client is saying. Ask clarifying questions to gain a deeper understanding of their challenges and goals. Show genuine empathy for their problems and frustrations. This will help you build their trust. Number 2, present a compelling solution. Focus on how your service will solve their specific problem and help them achieve their desired outcome. Share real-life examples of how your service has helped other clients. Stories are a powerful way to connect to the people on an emotional level. And use number and statistics to demonstrate the potential return on investment of your service. Number 3, overcome objections. Anticipate potential objections and be prepared to address them with confidence and clarity. Turn objections to opportunities to highlight the benefits of your service. Be willing to customize your offerings to meet the specific need of your clients. And last, number 4, close the deal. Clearly state your call to action and ask for the sale. End the call on a positive note, reinforcing the value of your service and expressing your enthusiasm to work together. Keep it conversational, listen more than you talk, and remember, you only need 3 to 5 clients paying $2,000 a month to hit $6,000 to $10,000 per month. And that's it, step-by-step guide to starting your content agency. This isn't just overnight success game. It takes time, effort, and consistency. To be honest, it took me 6 months to get my first client. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe, because I'm gonna give you everything for free that most of the gurus out there can give you even after you pay. So let me know in the comments what's the one service you're thinking about offering, and if you have any confusion or anything to ask, feel free. The comment section is open. You can ask anything you want and I will try my best to answer that, okay? So feel free about that. Till then, take care of yourself and your family, and I'll see you in the next one.